got that call on Monday morning. Sisibongi, ndiyabulela kakhulu sisingexesha lakho. I think for the benefit of the viewers, bukhawangixela nje in summary into kubana kwenzeke ntoni. Ngicela wena usixele into kokubana the moment ufumana la call ngomvulo kwenzeka ntoni emva koko. Zakubamela.
Oh, ngathola i-call on Monday. It was before 10. Bathi kimi iza esikolweni kune incident. Umntwana ngathi ulimele. Ngazicabanga ukuthi umntwana ulimele. Bathi was esikolweni. Ngisazama ukuprepare ukuthi ngizogeza manje ngesikolweni. Bangifonela bathi ungezi sizoza sizokupick up athina ngokwethu. Ngisende location, bathi ngisende location, ngibasendele location. Ngiphume ngitshela ubaba endlini. Ngithi baba bayangifonela esikolweni. Bathi uManqoba usesibhedlela coronation. Kune incident evelile. Athi ubaba igeza masinyane uzohamba. Ngisathi ngithi ngiyogeza, ngizwe nje isisu sami singabe right. Ngihambe ngetoilet ngibuye. Mangibuya kungene futhi call. Bangifonele bathi bonke si 5 minutes away sizofika manje. Bangafiki sengiloko ngiyaphuma ngiyababheka ngiyaphenika manje ukuthi mhlawumbe umntwana uphukile or mhlawumbe ukapeke ekhanda wovulekile mhlawumbe kudingeka mina maybe ngisayine something esibhedlela. Okay, bagcine bafikile ke. Mangiya kubo kufanele sihambe. Bathi kimi ukhona umuntu ongahamba naye na? Ngicabanga ukuthi ubaba mufrejalo uhamba ngeinduku enengisele naye sithuna endlini. Bathi it's fine sizomela. Ngihambe ngiyotshela ubaba ngithi baba kungcono ukuthi ngihambe nawe because akunamuntu la endlini. Avuma ubaba kena siphume ke singene emotweni sihambe nabo. Sibuze endleleni kwenzakalani ngomntwana. Bathi i-incident nje eyenzeke esikolweni. Bekahamba nomunye ubhuti womuntu omnyama ngibuze lo bhuti lo futhi ukuthi like because manje it's month end school fees kwanje somntwana as a grade R ngibhadala malini athi lo bhuti 550 ngizitshela ukuthi hayi mangifika lapha ya mangiceda esibhedlela ngizongena esikolweni ngibhadala school fees all to found out ngumuntu ongeka saphinda abhadala school fees. Okay, sihambe sifike esibhedlela. Masifike esibhedlela bastrayise nje basenzisa ama intro. Kule intro bebesenzisa yona kunabo doctor, kuno principal, kune nurse and no ma'am lo osilandile la ekhaya. Okay, ubaba azadineke ukuthi like kunini sikhulumisa intro is he no more and then bangaphenduli vele ngibona ukuthi mntana makasekho ngikhale bathatha ubaba ngibuza ukuthi ukuphi umntwana bathatha ubaba bayombonisa umntwana ukuthi ukuphi. Baba makafika lapha yana abheka umntwana mina masengiza ngithula ubaba sekahleli phansi vele ngiye umntwana ukuvalwa amakhethenisi. Bavula amakhethenisi ngivula umntwana ngimbheke bangimbhekile ngathi ulele nje ngimvuse Manqoba angangirespond umntwana ngimklina amakhala ngimkuke ngimphathe kimi ngize ngimuse phezulu and then abhodle ngibona ngathi uyavuka ngimbheke ngicela yena umem ngithi ngicela ungithathe last photos nomntanami and then umem vele angishuthe then kuze lo munye udoctor athi do not allowed ukuthi sithathe ithombe la esibhedlela umntwana makangasekho. And then bas explainela ukuthi umntwana ufike esibhedlela sakathulile bekangasaphila umntwana. The least udoctor khona kuyenza ukuthi amthatha ama test ukuthi athole ukuthi what happened ngomntwana. Makarana ama test udoctor everything was okay. Ayikho into umntwana benganayo. Bangibuza ukuthi umntwana uphuma kanjani endlini vele ngathi umntwana beka right. Uze wathi mama cela usishuthe sesiyahamba. Ngabashutha vele bangene etransportini. Bese udoctor athi kimi like azangasho ukuthi una next ngathi beyangana next. Because umntwana may know ukuthi if angekho right angimyise esikolweni ngoba ngiyamazi ukuthi maka overheat uyafita. Okay. So basitshela ukuthi ke imetal izothathwa amaphoyisa iphoyisa lizosifonela lisinikeze i-case number and everything.
Yeah.
And then umntwana ibody yomntwana izohamba iye eHillbrow moshari.
Okay. Ngicela sibambe nje kancane sisibongile so that uzokhona ukuphefumula kancane. Katlego, just in summary, this is the mother, Sisbongi, was just narrating to us the events of that particular day. But basically, they were called by 4 officials of Okay, so they were called by school officials or school staff or teachers, I'm not sure, but these were the people who were from the school. They got to the hospital, and then there was a there was a delay in terms of actually breaking the news to them that, Mangoba was no more. And then they were told that the police then, will take over the case. But key information that is coming out, they were saying that the doctor had told the family that the child was no more when the child got to the hospital. I'm going to bring in Ubaba, who's the grandfather, Mr. Mnis, the grandfather to Mangoba. Mkhulu, senifikile ke manje esibhedlela. Usisi uyasho ukuthi kuningi beningakuzwa or beningaku-understand. Ngicela uqale nami lana, amaphoyisa abewakhona yini mandifika esibhedlela? Nokuthi yini izinto or ama-questions angekaphenduleki kini as a family, especially wena njengomkhulu?
I-question engaphenduleki umntana mangitholanga ukuthi ulimalele esikoleni kuphi kanjani. The only bangitshele nje ukuthi umntanami uwile, umzukulu wami uwile, bamthathe bona sibamthatha phansi, so bamletha esibhedlela angasaphili. Ufike esibhedlela angasaphili. Bangibuza ukuthi unokuphathwa ngathi akaphathwa abengaphathwanga yilokho. So bangibuza ukuthi umntwana bangitshela ukuthi umntwana bacela singapost yoba ashonile, so and singaqala yenza ama-arrangement omngcwabo because sazomela i-test ukuthi umntwana ubulawe yini, because bona mangibabuze bathi abazi ubulawe yini, but the muntu she's a doctor but she doesn't know ukuthi umntwana ubulawe yini. So ngibabuza ukuthi before basitshela ukuthi bacala basidrayisa kucala bafuna umuntu bale ba-introduce-ana ngathi no, this is out, what happened usually kulo mntwana, because masingena lapho now was expecting ukuthi sizomana uManqoba alapho kule room abasifake kulo, only find out uManqoba akekho lapho. Ngathi actually uManqoba uphi, bale bathi ngathi no, I want to find out uManqoba uphi. Is normal? But yes, he's normal. Wakhala umntana ngaleso sikhathi. Ngathi mina ngicela bangibonise ukuthi uphi. Bangithatha bale ba comfort umntana basinika amafoni ukuthi ngafona anybody esifuna ukumfonela simazi. Ngathi no, ngifone phone. From there bangithatha umntana meza ngasamuva. Masifika bavula amakhethini bathi ula. Ngathi mina ngaphimisela ngathi mina wish thola ukuthi umuntu wrong. Akusuyi. Udoktor wathi mshame. Wavula makuthi uvulbele registration esingaka. Wamvula half. Athi awuye. Ngambheka ukuthi akana dent akana nix. Lo muntu akawanga ndiwe bayibeka ngakhona. Makubuye ngobuso ngabe yabonakala. So ngaphuma ngoba I couldn't stand it. Ngaphuma umntana mongena. Wamthatha ngomgono wathi hayi Manqoba vuka. Ngabona lento le mina ngikwazi futhi into ezibhlungu ngikwazi usibheka. Ngasuka ngahlala phansi mangibuthi ngifuna i-cold drink, coffee ngathi angifuni nix. Umntana malibela azama ukuthi umntana mhlawumbe uzovuka. Ngoba yambona kana and sebamkhumule impahla. Usesele ngetrunk kuphela. Asazi basisheku or either balesa ukuthi impahla zinedent so zibona negazi zinani mhlambe. Bafihla into ezinjalo. So i-problem yami i-one. Abasitshelanga ukuthi umntwana ubambeke kuphi azabone angasekho. Bangitshela nje ukuthi uwile. And abafanda abathola ukuthi ubulawa yini. So yangingazi lento the whole doctor athola ukuthi akatholi kwenzakaleni. Ngabona there's a foul play.
Manje mkhulu before ngibuyele kusisi. Akekho mhlamba umuntu onitshelile ukuthi kwenzakaleni kahle nokuthi amaphoyisa
fihliwe lento fihliwe. Bona basitshela ukuthi sizogcina lapha nasambile singana information. So except nje umntana uthulile then bazomthatha amsemocha basitshela nje ukuthi angaposti singayenza ama-arrangement omngcwabo.
Ngobani baba laba because nisesibhedlela.
Yeah.
So labantu abathi ningapost ningenza ama-arrangements abantu besikolo or abantu basesibhedlela.
Udoctor nabothisha bakhona.
Okay. Let me come back to Umama Katlego. Mama, I understand that from Monday up until Friday, beningena clue ukuthi kwenzakaleni. But by Friday, kukhona information oyitholile. Ngicela usitshele ukuthi information enjani lo uyitholile nokuthi ithini kahle kahle.
On Friday, ngiyangaya eDav. Ngiyolungiselela for ukuthi ngizongcwaba besiphuma emoshari on Thursday. Then sebamthathile umntwana iDav sengakuyi. Mase umntwana sekangakubo ngahamba ngaya ku-undertaker yami which is iDav. eDav banginikeze amaphepha like i-police report. Mabanginikeze i-police report ngithi eish and then nasebank la engikhave khona umntanami bazoyidinga bazonginika lama-police report. And then bese ngicela intombazane laseDav ngithi ngicela ukuthi sifonele uprincipal anginikeze i-case number nephoyisa eliphethe case. And then simfonele uprincipal angabambi simzame nalo nomunye umema angabambi until ngifonele udriver olanda abantwana bami nge-WhatsApp call. Udriver mangimfonela sifake ifone yami ku loudspeaker. Masifake ifone ku loudspeaker udriver uya respond athi okay Bongi ithi ngiye ku principal because ngivela ngila esikolweni ngaphandle angikhulumise naye Mr Bellings I need a case number and then the police who's got who's having this case athi okay Bongi I'll send you now not knowing ukuthi abadropanga ifone bayakhuluma ngiyamuza uprincipal like ngathi bebe baningi lapho including udriver because ngibezwa from efonini yaka drive athi I'll give like 40 to 80,000 so I didn't know ukuthi labo 40 to 80,000 bamayelana nani angizange understand lapho so mase sengihamba futhi nginganayi ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi bebe mhlambe bayenza ngomntanami lento abaphana yona ngivele lo khiyase babona ukuthi abadropanga bayidrop ifone lokho sibalalele nalo ntombazana waseDav. Okay ngicede eDav untombazana athi ngihamba ucertify amaphepha lanka and then ungibuyisele wona uye emabhenki ulanda ama police report then uzothi mawusutholile iphoyisa ufake uhambe yoligcwalisa lama form and then ngihambe ngisaye mangifika ke ebhenki ngithathe lama police report then ngibuyele police station mangifike police station bangenza ngicertify ngenza ama affidavit ngenza yonke into mangiqeda kungena imessage anginaki ngizitshela ukuthi abantu laba block bathi uncaba nini like ingena kaningi agcina ngifonela athi hello ngithi hello athi please check your messages ngithi ngikhuluma nobani athi ngisisibheka ama message ngikubona kwami ukuthi lo muntu lo userious then I drop ifone mangicheck ama message ngitshele ukuthi I'm sorry to tell you this umntanakho akafanga ngalendlela wena abakutshele ngayo umntanakho was locked in a classroom for isikhathi eside and then azama ukuphuma umntwana wangena ewindweni wavula iwindow kulapha stake khona ewindweni angabonwanga umuntu since I locked in the class ubona umuntu ondlula ngendlela it's when bayo realize ukuthi kunomuntu ose eclassini okhelekile. And then okay makaceda ukungitshela ngivele ngiscream epolice station mangirase epolice station ngikhale bathatha ifone amaphoyisa bacheck ukuthi kwenzakalani babona ukuthi ngithole la message le iphoyisa lizama ukufonela this number athi I wanna remain anonymous azange baphendule then bangise trauma it's when sebathi ay sisi kulento le ngcono uye Jozi FM uzobuya uvula icase mawuqeda.
Alright ngicela sibambe nje sisine saphina siqhubeke mase siqedelana so that last